Okay, I'm gonna make my breakfast, okay? It's a secret. As in, now it's not gonna be a secret, but I want to show it to you guys. Okay, I'm very bad at this. Making the videos and all of that, I'm extremely bad. But anyways, so for my breakfast, every day I eat pancakes. And it's a heavy version of pancake. Okay. 1 small banana or half of 1 big banana. 2 eggs, 1 whole, and 1 of half. Half in the sense white.
Baking powder. Cinnamon powder.
I like to put protein powder in mine because it's chocolatey better. And let's grind it. The secret is this ghee is from home, as in I have a cow and a calf at home, and this is from them. So mummy sends it from Kurg. So it smells really good, and it's really important for all of us to consume at least 1 teaspoon of oil every day. Just letting you know some knowledge I have. Okay.
Yummy, yummy.